Hello, my name is Sherdale and this is me YouTube channel. How to earn US dollars weekly? Answer B. And a writer. Go to the website www.iwriter.com. Click Allow me to apply as a writer. Fill up the form. Answer the essay part as good as possible. Wait for their email if you pass their assessment. Once you pass, you can already log into your writer's account. Initially, you will have access to standard projects. But the more 5-star rating you get from clients, your writer's level will increase. And so is your rate.f. Payment method: PayPal. Writers send payments every Make Tuesday. sure to get your PayPal account to receive your You are earnings. now an PayPal iWriter. account must Tip: be verified. If you're in the Philippines, get a cash account to cash in PayPal money.